What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate you tuning in. We are back here in my 2006 Nissan 350z, and I know I haven't posted in like 2 weeks, but I thought I'd just give myself a little break because I'd been going hard for like over a year now. Honestly, it was nice to have a little break, but every single day I missed vlogging and filming, so we're back. And you guys, I just thought I would, start off the new videos just with something pretty awesome. Check this out. In front of us right now, we have the original Swagzilla from New York City, created by Martino Auto Concepts, which is pretty awesome, out in New York. The whole car is custom painted green Verde Ithaca. I don't know if I've actually showed you guys any pictures of the GTR. It has an aftermarket front bumper on it, which we put on about 6 or 7 years ago, and we love the front bumper, but for some reason it's not very popular with the public, so we decided to put the original front bumper back on. But we're here at Efren's right now. We're gonna jump out and do a little walk around of this GTR because there's nothing like it on the planet, I'm telling you. It's the most crazy thing in the world. There it is. Peace. Alright. Alright guys, so we just dropped the GTR off over at Efren's. He is going to be working on that and getting the front bumper painted, which is pretty awesome. Right now we're actually in the 350Z. We're headed over to Temecula Valley Paint, where we actually are going to be getting the paint for the car, and I'm going to be picking up a stack of red paint swatches basically. I have not decided on a red, and I think in this video that's what we're going to be doing. So let's head over there right now and see what color red we're going to paint this thing, because I really don't know. And I want like a bright red, like I've been saying. A lot of people want like a dark red, so we're going to go look at the paints right now, and hopefully we can find something and decide on something. Okay, hilarious. I went literally 10 feet, and Temecula Valley Paint's actually right here. So we're gonna run in really quick and see what they got. All right, well, we're here. Let's run in and see what they got.
Hi, welcome to Temecula Valley Paint.
Alright guys, so here's the different swatches. I don't know if you could see. Probably impossible to see on the camera, but this one over here, this is the darkest one, and this is the lighter one. And then on this side we got like a whole bunch of like really bright like oranges and stuff. I'm basically deciding between these 30, maybe not that like pink one in there, like these two are like brown. I don't know, it's kind of weird, but I kind of like this one on the top. I kind of like this one on top here. They all look pretty similar, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, they all look so similar on camera, you guys. But this one back here is like almost really purpley. This is like what was on the Z to begin with. Maybe the one on the Z was actually a little more blue. Gosh, I don't even know. Alright guys, so we put the swatches down, and I actually got this book right here. This is Viper Red, and it's red from literally Dodge Viper's red. And so what we were thinking about doing is using this Dodge Viper red. Here, let's see if I can get a better. Pretty bright, pretty much the brightest red we can get, and I think it's going to look really good because it's pretty much solid red. There's no orange to it, and I kind of wanted a Ferrari red, but now that I was thinking about it, I don't know if I really want some orange to it, so this will be just pure red. I think it'll look really good. I think that's what we're going to do, you guys. So they're actually making the Viper Red right now inside. I'm super excited because I think we're actually headed to the shop in this episode, and we're going to be painting the side skirts or the rockers for the Z with this brand new paint. This is a big moment, you guys. Like, everything is finally coming together, and it's just been such a long process to get here, and I've learned so much. I hope you guys have learned a lot as well. I really appreciate you following along and just watching these videos. Like, it just means the world to me. I think the red we decided on is actually going to be perfect. It's not too orange, it's not too purple. It's going to be right in the middle of what we want, just red. I didn't realize that there was over 200 different shades of red, you guys. At least paintable shades. Like, I'm sure there's way more than that. That's just all the paintable ones. In the human eye, I could differentiate between all of them. Like, there was none that I could like not tell the difference between. Like, that's just crazy. So anyways, we're basically what they're getting together for us right now is we're gonna get 1 quart of sealer. Basically, we're gonna spray the entire car with white sealer, which will basically make the red pop even more because not all of the entire car is primered. We're getting 2 quarts of solventless shop line paint. I believe. And then the last thing is vibrancy clear coat. I'll let you guys know basically what we ended up spending for this entire process. I think the clear is gonna be probably half of what the paint's gonna be, but I'm not quite sure. I'm looking to spend around, oh God, hopefully less than $1,000 right now on paint. Hopefully like $800. I thought it was gonna be an entire gallon, but I think we're gonna be able to knock it out with 2 quarts or a half gallon. I think that's a half gallon, I'm not quite sure. So we'll have to see. If we do have to come get more, then we totally can. It's really not that hard of a color to make, but it is gonna be a one-off car, which is pretty awesome. I really don't think any other 350Zs are running this Viper Red, so it's gonna be pretty awesome when it's done, you guys. And yeah, let's go inside, let's check it out where it's at, and I'll let you guys know what we're paying. There we are.
And your receipts come right up.
Sweet.
And you get 2 boxes to play with. One heavy one. Yeah. And one not quite so heavy.
Okay, cool.
And then you get 2 more.
All right, check it out, you guys. We got the red paint. Look at that. I know you can't really tell what color that is, but this is the brightest red I've ever seen. 2 things of reducer. This is another 2 quarts of sealer. More reducer for the sealer. That's what it is. Primer. I don't know, we got a whole bunch of stuff. I got one more box to go grab, then we'll be good. Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
All right, we'll see you soon.
Appreciate it. Sounds good. All right, guys, so got everything, all the paint stuff necessary to get this job done. He did give me a little bit of a deal just because I made a little video for him a few months ago. It's like a promo video I did basically for Temecula Valley Paint. All right, you guys, we're here. Check it out. We got the receipt right here with a grand total of $726.67, you guys. So just like an example, like when you take your car to Mako and they're gonna charge $1,500 or $2,000 to paint your entire car, seriously half of that cost is paint, and that's just because they wanna charge you $2,000 to paint your car. And then they also have to paint the person to do all of the work that I did on this car. Obviously Mako's not gonna do like that great of a job, but someone is still doing all that sanding. So, you know, when you go to a place like Mako and the paint is half the cost, obviously the work isn't gonna be very good. And then when you go to a place like Efren's in the shop, you know, they spend, it's gonna be a little bit more, they spend a lot more time on it, but it comes out perfect. Like, it's gonna be a show car when we're done. So that's basically it. $750 out the door, all done, which is pretty awesome. We should be headed over to the shop later tonight to start the painting process, and I couldn't be more excited, and I will see you guys then.
2 hours later.
All right, you guys, it is a little bit later in the day. We're headed back to the shop right now. We've got all of the paint stuff ready to go. I think we're actually gonna get started on painting the rocker panels today, or the side skirts. So I've already actually sanded down the side skirts and the front bumper like you guys have seen in the previous videos. So those are basically ready to go. We're gonna get this paint out, we're gonna look at it. I'm super excited to see what this paint looks like. Based on the little dot on top of the can, it looks insane. So I'm super excited. This Viper Red is gonna be unbelievable. Once we finally start painting some of the panels, it's really gonna come together and the vision is gonna be there. So this is just so insane, you guys. This is my favorite off-ramp, and for good reason. It's like a racetrack. Oh yeah, check it out, you guys. Right next to West Coast Exotics, which is pretty cool. That's where we got the GTR from this morning. Yeah, pretty small world. Everything's kind of connected. The shop is just right over here. Sheesh. Dang, bro, that GTR is insane. Jeez. Yeah, I have to grab one. Whoa, it's gonna be bright.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Dude, is that the color your car's gonna be?
Yeah.
That's fucking hard.
That's gonna be insane, bro. It's Viper Red. Dude, it's gonna be, oh my god. right, guys, so the first coat is down. Actually, we did 2 coats, so now we're just gonna hit it with clear. And these will be done. Jesus. This is crazy. Wow. Dang. Alright, so this is 1 coat of clear, you guys. We're gonna do 1 more coat. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Like, shoot. Wow. I could not imagine the whole car this color. Like, that's crazy. Jeez. All right, you guys, putting everything back here. Got these all finished. Check this out. Look how bright red these turned out. Insane. When the entire car looks like this, it's gonna be crazy. Jeez, this is exactly the red I wanted. You know, it's basically like that Ferrari red, like that really bright red that pops. It doesn't have, you know, that orange and kind of like that light orangeness to it, which I love, but this just looks, it has like that, I don't know how to explain it. It's still like a crimson, but it's really bright. It just looks so crazy. Once the entire car looks like this, it's gonna be definitely a showstopper. Wow. All right, you guys, there it is. Day 1 of painting the Z. I kind of had to just let this sink in for a little bit while I was in there. I cannot believe we're starting to paint the car. Like, it's been 2 months and this is just a huge moment for us, you guys. Like, hopefully knocking it out this week. Oh my gosh. There's a huge car show June 8th, which is in 7 days, out of 7 days out. If we could have it done by then, that would be unbelievable. Oh man, hopefully we do. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for being so patient with me in this build. It's such an awesome process to do this. Being able to say that we sanded and pretty much painted the entire car ourselves is just, that's gonna be so awesome. So anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. This car is gonna be insane when we're done, and we have a whole bunch of awesome car shows and things to do once it is done. So definitely look forward to those. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.